Drawing Fibonacci retracements manually takes a lot of time, but the Auto Fibonacci Indicator does it automatically based on the current swing, and here's how to use it. Open any chart, press the / key, type in Auto, then just hit Auto Fib retracement, and then our charts will look alike. The indicator automatically identifies the recent swing high and swing low and plots the standard fib retracement levels between them. Now, as price moves and new swings form, you don't have to worry about moving this and redrawing because the indicator recalculates and redraws the levels for you. Now, the levels work the exact same as the manual Fibonacci, so you don't have to worry about anything concerning that. If you do want to change what levels you're looking at in more settings, simply hover over the indicator, double click, then head over to inputs. You can change the deviation parameter, which controls how significant a swing needs to be before the indicator recognizes it. You can also change the depth, prices, and most importantly, the levels you're looking at. And you can head over to style and just change a couple more graphic objects and input values, and even go to visibility and change what time frames you're looking at it on. Have a great day, guys.